Hey guys, this is Mr. Waltz. I'm going to show you how to do circuit 12, which is the nightlight circuit. I'm going to start by duplicating circuit 11. And so there's circuit 11. We set up the transistor and everything. In this circuit, we're going to keep both the resistors. We're going to get rid of one of the LEDs. We don't need a switch anymore. I'm going to clear out all the jumpers. And we additionally need a photocell for control photoresistor. So we'll put this in here. And so I'm going to keep the top part of the circuit the same here. You can see you got your red wire from your power supply, powers your resistor, which goes to your blue LED. This circuit is a little less complicated, so I can move the transistor over into column E, rows 3, 4, and 5. And so we still have the same setup with the LED circuit coming into the collector. And then what I'm going to use now is the photocell. I'm going to rotate this so the legs go to the left. And we're going to connect the photocell to the base. All right. And so it's going between the base and the emitter. And then I need a jumper to connect row 5 back to negative. And then I think I got that's a 330, that's fine. And then this 22K, we're going to put this in row 4. Okay, so that's fairly simple work there. 330s on top, row 2. 22K is right below it. You got a jumper in row 5. And actually, I goofed this up. Check this out. I went to negative over here. You guys can move. Let's put that one there. So we're going from negative to 5A here. And we got this here. Okay. So now if I turn the circuit on, you can see the LED comes on. We can click on the photocell. And so right now you can see it's set to darkness. And so it's dark. The photocell has a really high resistance. And that makes the voltage here rather high because this is a voltage divider. So the bigger the photocell resistance is, the bigger the voltage you get here in row 4. And then if I drag this down, as it gets brighter and brighter, you can see that the LED goes dark and finally turns out. And there's kind of a transition point here about a third of the way down. And then the way you would adjust this, like let's say you didn't want the LED to go off until it was like all the way down here. What you could do is go in on this resistor here and just change the values of this. And so let's try 33K and see what happens. So if I use 33K, you could see it doesn't come on until it's really dark. So a higher resistance on that resistor will make it not come on until it's really dark. And if I try a lower resistance, let's try 11K. And you can see that this LED will come on at lower values. And so that's how you would adjust this kind of circuit to come on at the light value you wanted. But I like 22. 22 is pretty good. Anyways, that's the circuit. Go ahead and turn it in and hope you had fun.